Oh, okay. And good morning. How are you doing? Hopefully, you're having a great morning. We got a good looking day out there, but of course, it is going to be a hot day. Should be hot. It's August. Average high temperature is 95, and I think we'll hit mid 90s, around 96 degrees or so. Over the weekend, we'll have a chance for some scattered showers. The Labor Day weekend, I know. I don't think we'll have a lot of rainfall, but there is a chance, and it's about a 30% chance. Same thing on Labor Day as well. Okay, the low this morning, we hit 77. We bounced off of the morning lows, of course. It's 10:38 in the morning. We're sitting at 82. We've got partly cloudy skies. Good looking day out there, really. Record high is 103, set back in 2023. That was a horrible summer. 2022 was bad. So was 2024. This summer hasn't been too bad, really. The average high, 95. I think our high today is going to be 96 under partly cloudy skies. And later on this afternoon, we should see some hit and miss showers, about a 20% chance. If you have anything planned this evening, temperatures will be in the 90s. All right, looking at our radar, this morning we have had quite a bit of shower activity down around Victoria, Port Lavaca. We've got a little trough of low pressure right along the coastal sections. I've seen a few little isolated showers trying to pop now with a little bit of heating. Let's see. Well, actually, let me zoom in here so we can get a better look. Yeah, we got a few little isolated showers around southern Medina County, eastern Atascosa, there in Karnes County, DeWitt County. Just real small showers right now. Oh, got another one around Gonzales. So, yeah, I think hit and miss, 20%. I think that's probably going to cover it. Let's take a look at the single site radar out of New Braunfels. Let's see if we can pick up something a little bit that's not detectable by the composite. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's a little bit too sensitive, right? Let's see, take away some of that sensitivity. Yeah, it looks like, you can see here, yeah, see the movement? Little light showers all through Gonzales County now. Wilson County, they're showing up really nice. And matter of fact, we've got one or two in southern Bexar County as well. So I think about 20% is probably going to cover it, maybe even border on 30%, just looking at this early activity. So hopefully you'll get wet. I know the airport has been doing really bad on rain this month, only 6/100ths at the airport. So we need to see a little bit of some rainfall at the airport. Hopefully the airport picks up because we're running out of days. What is this, 26? We've only got a few days left. 82 is the current temperature. Floresville 83, Pleasanton at 83 degrees as well. My frontal boundary, it's about 3 hours old where I've got it placed, but it's probably going to be close. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just a little off. It's starting to sag to the south a little bit. I would say from just north of Midland to just south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area around Waco. Just continuing to sag on down to the south. May help us a little bit. Tomorrow, whatever's left, because it's starting to totally fade. Notice how it is a lot cooler, though, behind that front. Amarillo's at 61. Oklahoma City's coming in mid-60s. It's going to kind of dissipate across the area tomorrow, but tomorrow about a 20 to 30% chance of seeing some rain. If you know anybody across the Plain States, Midwest, look at these temperatures for highs today. St. Louis, mid-70s. Minneapolis, mid-70s. Boy, it's a lot cooler. It's getting to that time of the year where some of these frontal boundaries are starting to get a little bit closer and closer to us. But not yet. We're not ready to see a strong cold front, or a cold front for that matter, come through south central Texas just yet. As we head into the weekend, Saturday, notice in the green shaded area, there's a marginal risk, which is a very slight risk, that there could be some excessive rainfall, could be even some localized flooding. The rainfall over the weekend, actually from here all the way through next Tuesday, about 3/4 to an inch of rain. I think that's going to be pretty general. On the low side, 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 an inch, and there could be a few isolated areas that pick up 1 to 2 inches of rain over the next 7 days. So we will have some opportunities for some showers, no doubt. All right, taking a look at the tropics, Ferdinand just does not look very good. Almost below tropical storm status at 40 miles an hour. I think Ferdinand's seen its better days, is about to check out. We've got a little area of disturbed weather in the Caribbean. The computer models have just not been with this. But one thing I've noticed, it dies down, comes back, dies down, comes back. And so I wouldn't write it, I wouldn't write it off just yet. The National Hurricane Center has wrote it off. They've got a 0% chance on that, but I think it's a little bit better than 0. This time of the year, watch the Northern Gulf, watch the Western Caribbean. And I'm going to keep my eyes on that little disturbance there in the Caribbean as well. It's had a tendency that the shear is not that strong. You can kind of see the outflow, so I'm not writing it off. I wouldn't give it a great chance, but probably better than 0, that's for sure. Okay, so here's the 14-day. Today's high temperature 96, about a 20% chance of a shower, thunder shower. Wednesday 20 to 30% chance, high 96. Thursday 99, 98, 99. I think Friday also upper 90s as well. 20% chance of a shower late in the day on Friday. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday I'd go with a 30% chance each one of those days. High temperatures mid 90s over the weekend, and Labor Day itself about 92. We may feel the effects of this front just slightly. And then most of next week, high temperatures in the mid 90s, anywhere from 95 to 97, and a slight chance for a shower just about each and every day. I'm going to give it a 10% chance for most of next week. Okay, thank you so much for streaming with us. We've got the noon show coming up. That's coming up in just a little bit. Also 4, 5, 6, and 10. And make sure to watch us tomorrow morning. And for more updates, go to KENS5.com or KENS5 Plus, and you'll find it there. All right, we really appreciate it. Have a good day.